Are 12mm spacers safe? If the high-quality wheel spacers are installed correctly, the spacers are safe. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forging makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics. This melt has good mechanical properties compared with installed standards. The cheap spacers which using low-quality materials are not strong enough and will default the endanger driving safety under strong impact. In contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. The matching wheel stud uses SCM440 steel material, and it has good ductility and high temperature strength resistance, structural stability, no harmful elements, few surface defects, and more advantages. Besides, it has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. The spacer structure design effectively reduces the loosening of bolts during use. With the 12-petal hand design, the petal hands can only be manufactured by super forging technology. This uniform distribution requires a large tonnage machine to forge in one step. Not only that, but the bottom of the bolts also has a BONOSS engraved. BONOSS owns factory. By engraving the word B or BONOSS on each BONOSS extending wheel bolts, it is brand the guarantee of quality and the protection of customers' interests. If you like our videos, please give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.